Hi, it's Dr. Centeno, and I'd like to talk about maximizing your coronavirus safety at physician offices. Obviously, everyone is scared right now with the coronavirus. So how do you protect yourself when you go to the doctor? Because doctors' offices are open during the shutdown because they're an essential service. So the protection levels that we'll go over are max, good, acceptable, and poor. So for a max COVID-19 protection zone, there are a number of things you should expect. Now, Centeno Schultz Clinic is launching this program and is one of the first clinics in the country to do this. So this means that the clinic, i.e. our clinic, will take care of testing our providers for COVID-19. And we have in-clinic rapid testing where we are testing all of our patients. So whether you're coming in to be seen for a follow-up or a new patient evaluation, or you are coming in for an injection, you will be tested. The air is HEPA filtered with UVC viral deactivation. That means that we use UV light to damage the viral envelope, and these are viruses that might be hanging out in water droplets that can be filtered out by HEPA. All of our providers wear masks. All the patients are given a mask. We use viral disinfectants all over the clinic. All providers and patients use frequent hand washing, 6-foot social distancing, and low throughput, meaning we are not running the same number of patients at the clinic as we once did, and an in-car virtual waiting room where you can wait in your car in the convenience of your own vehicle and wait there instead of in the waiting room, and we will text you and come get you when we're ready for you. Then for a good COVID-19 protection zone, again, there's no testing, but you've got some common sense things happening here to protect patients. Then for an acceptable COVID-19 protection zone, a little bit less. And then for a poor COVID-19 protection zone, you've got 6-foot social distancing and regrettably high throughput. What I mean by high throughput is a clinic that's still seeing a lot of patients, packing people into waiting rooms, et cetera, et cetera. Whereas all of these other clinic environments are low throughput, meaning they're not seeing that many patients. So Centeno Schultz, again, is a maximum COVID-19 protection zone. So in addition to being a maximum protection zone, we also have insurance-covered telemedicine visits. So for some reason you don't want to come into the clinic and get tested, you can get with your doctor on a phone, on a tablet, or on a computer and have a full telemedicine visit just as if you had a visit in the office. So thanks so much for watching this and have a great day.